Presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW X6. Unleash power, luxury, and thrill. Drive the 2016 BMW X6 M today. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 29,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2016 BMW X6 M. Featuring a 4.4L twin-turbo V8 engine churning out 567 horses and 553 feet-pounds of torque, this beast is more powerful than a bull on steroids. Packed with factory luxuries like heated seats, panoramic sunroof, navigation, parking sensors, and a rearview camera, it's the ultimate ride. Coated in mineral white metallic with Mugello red leather interior, it's a head-turner. Gas mileage: 14 mpg city, 19 mpg highway, better than most exes. Clean Carfax, under 29,000 miles. Visit our dealership now and fall in love with luxury on wheels. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.